In this video I'm going to show you how to use Vicks VapoRub to reduce belly fat and why it works. Vicks has been used as a treatment for throat and chest stuffiness, congested nose, cough, cold and headaches. However, it can be used for a whole host of other ailments, which is why it is now considered a must-have item in homes around the country. Whilst it may be advertised as a cold and flu remedy, many avid Vicks VapoRub users have claimed its success in dealing with headaches, easing muscle pain, healing cuts, stopping earaches, treating toenail fungus and even weight loss, especially reducing belly fat. Cellulite is the bane of many people's lives. As well as affecting confidence, cellulite in the wrong places can make people feel embarrassed. However, there is no need to shy away from the problem because it's something that most people want to solve. In fact, cellulite isn't even a symptom of being overweight. It can be a result of poor dieting, quick hormonal changes, slow metabolism, lack of water and a lack of physical activity. If you want to reduce cellulite and belly fat, start by applying a layer of Vicks VapoRub. Although this might sound strange, the VapoRub will actually fight off the accumulation of unwanted fat and encourage hydration in the skin. To improve the mix to create a super homemade slimming cream using Vicks VapoRub, add camphor, baking soda and a little rubbing oil. Although you could technically slather on some Vicks by itself, too much menthol can irritate or burn the skin, so it's a better idea to add camphor powder. There is already a small amount of camphor in the ointment, but more is needed when using menthol in large doses. The skin responds to camphor as gentle warmth, balancing out the cool of menthol. Baking soda and rubbing oil can help dilute the mixture further. So you can prepare this by mixing 1 tablespoon of crushed tablet of camphor, 1 tablespoon of rubbing oil, 1 tablespoon of baking soda and about half a jar of Vicks VapoRub until you get a nice paste. Then all you need to do is apply it to the area you want to treat. To make this process more effective and improve the results, try wrapping the stomach and back in a saran wrap or cling film. This will really allow the Vicks VapoRub to get to work on the cellulite. Wrap therapy has been around for decades, but it's gained popularity in the 80s and 90s. Originally referred to as a herbal wrap for relaxation and skin softening treatments, these wraps have recently been touted as weight loss solutions by many sellers. The use of homemade wrap is an easy, affordable option. You can just use plastic wrap easily found from a cheap local grocery or drugstore. Many people use this underneath a sports top and then keep it on during their workout or physical exercise. If that's not your style, you can just keep it on for 30 minutes to an hour and let it work its magic on its own. Then all you need to do is rinse it off with plenty of water in the shower. For many, they prefer to apply Vicks VapoRub before going to bed because it provides a double benefit. Whilst the VapoRub is improving skin hydration, the smell of the mint and eucalyptus can actually encourage relaxation in the mind, which aids anxiety and makes it easier to relax after a long day at work. If your routine doesn't allow for it to be applied before bedtime, there's nothing wrong with doing it before a workout as stated before or in the morning before work. Aside from the skin hydration, how does it actually work to reduce belly fat? Well, we should first note this isn't a magical solution that's put at the end of a healthy eating and exercise regime. Of course, you will still need these two components for long-term results. However, Vicks VapoRub appears to help to maintain a firm and smooth belly. As cellulite is eliminated, the firmness of the skin improves around the belly, and this encourages a more balanced fat growth. With the saran wrap, many people have experienced positive results, but there is little research to suggest why this is the case. For some experts, they believe the wrap improves blood flow as well as heat in the stomach. Therefore, the fat tissue in the area is burned and a small difference in the waistline is experienced. Another active ingredient in Vicks is menthol. Menthol activates skin sensors that respond to cold. When nerve endings sense that the outside temperature is dropping, your body works overtime to keep your core temperature within a healthy range. Scientists are studying the effects of cold temperatures on weight loss, and their studies suggest that cooling things down really does burn fat. So to summarise, by improving hydration of the skin, fighting the accumulation of fat and potentially improving blood flow and temperature, we have yet another fantastic use for Vicks VapoRub. However, as mentioned previously, Vicks VapoRub should never be used as a replacement for diet and exercise, since it's only a short-term solution, and if you want to fit into that stunning dress long-term, a lifestyle change may be the better option. Also, it's worth trying this slimming potion on a small patch of skin first before you try the wrap, just in case you have a reaction to it. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to treat belly fat with Vicks VapoRub. If you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 27 amazing uses of Vicks VapoRub. Thanks for watching and bye for now.